Hey, have you seen the new coffee machine at Linda's?
Yes, it looks fancy. How much did it cost?
Oh, it probably costs an arm and a leg.
What is this oddly specific comparison?
It means it's really expensive. Like, so expensive you feel like you're giving up part of yourself to pay for it.
Oh, I get it. So, it's not about arms or legs for real.
No, just a way to say something costs too much.
Then my rent costs an arm and a leg too.
Welcome to the club. Everything feels like that these days.
Do you think the coffee's worth it?
Only if it tastes amazing. Otherwise, it's just an overpriced machine. A blessing in disguise. Something good that seemed bad at first. Ugh, I can't believe the printer broke again this morning. I know, but honestly, it was a blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise? What do you mean? Well, because it broke, we had to call IT. They found out the whole network needed updating. Oh, so something bad actually helped us? Exactly. Now everything's running faster. To be honest, I cannot tell the difference. Well, it's because you're so used to the slow internet. Anyway, the only blessing I got from the broken printer was a morning off. Yeah, but let's not hope for too many blessings in disguise. Agreed. One broken printer is enough. Take it easy, relax, and don't stress.
Clara, you've been typing non-stop since morning. Are you okay?
Ugh, I have so much to finish, Liam. The deadline is tomorrow.
You should take it easy for a bit.
What? What is it? And why should I take it?
I mean, relax. Take it easy means to relax.
Ugh, I don't know. There's still so much to do.
Trust me, a short break will help. If you push too hard, you'll make mistakes.
That's true. Sometimes I forget things when I'm stressed.
Exactly. Work smart, not just hard.
Okay, I'll grab some water and stretch.
Good idea. And hey, if you need help with the report, let me know.
Once in a blue moon. Very rarely.
Do you know that Dan got an A+ on algebra?
Yes, that was surprising. Is he always that great at math?
Oh no, that happens once in a blue moon.
A blue moon? What's that?
It's just a saying. It means something happens very rarely.
Oh, so Dan isn't that great at algebra?
Exactly. I think the last time he got an A+ on something, maybe a year ago.
Well, good for him then. Keep your chin up. Stay positive and hopeful. Ugh, I just got another email from my dream company. I got rejected again.
That's tough, but keep your chin up, Sophia. You'll get through it.
Keep my chin up? Like this?
No, it means don't let it get you down. Stay positive.
Oh, like don't give up?
Exactly. Sometimes things feel hard, but you're doing great.
Thanks, Mark, but this feels so terrible.
I know the feeling. Just remember, it'll be gone and you'll feel better.
You're right. Thank you. Cry over spilled milk. To worry about something that cannot be changed. Oh no! I sent the wrong file to the client. Now everything's ruined.
Hey, Emma, don't cry over spilled milk.
Spilled milk? I didn't spill anything.
It's a saying, Emma. It's like when something bad happens, but you can't change it. No use worrying too much.
So I should stop being upset?
Exactly. Just fix the mistake and move on.
But it's still embarrassing.
Everyone makes mistakes, Emma. Next time, just double check before you hit send.
You're right. Thanks, Jake. Add fuel to the fire to make a bad situation worse. I just told Greg his idea wasn't clear. Now he looks upset.
Yeah, and saying that in front of everyone probably added fuel to the fire.
What are you talking about?
You know, like when you make something worse. Like adding more flames to a fire.
Oh, so I made him feel even worse?
Kind of. It's not bad to give feedback, but maybe next time try pulling him aside.
I see. Should I talk to him privately instead?
Exactly. That way, you won't make him feel embarrassed in front of the whole class.
You're right. I didn't think about that.
It's okay. Just maybe talk to him now and smooth things over.
Good idea. I'll go before the fire gets too big.
Smart move. Go be the firefighter, Leela.
The ball is in your court. It's your turn to take action. So, I sent the proposal to the client this morning.
Great. Now the ball is in their court.
The ball? What ball?
It just means it's their turn to decide what to do next.
Oh, like in a game.
Exactly. You've done your part. Now they have to make the next move.
That's a good way to say it. The ball is in their court now.
Right, but don't relax too much. If they respond, you'll need to be ready.
Got it. So when it's my turn again, the ball is back in my court?
You nailed it, see? You're already using it perfectly.
Fantastic work. Keep it up.
Stick with us until the end to see just how much you've learned. You can do this.
Actions speak louder than words. What you do matters more than what you say.
Hey, Hannah, do you think the client will like our presentation?
I hope so. But remember, actions speak louder than words.
Oh, you mean talking less in the meeting?
Not really. It's more like showing we're ready. You know, like finishing the sample project on time.
Ah, so they see we can do it, not just here.
Exactly. If they see good work, they'll trust us more.
That makes sense. Okay, I'll double check the samples now.
Great. That's the spirit. And don't worry too much. You're doing fine.
Thanks, Hannah. I'll do my best.
I know you will. Let's make this happen.
Okay, back to work. Actions speak louder than words, right?
You got it, Ryan. Let's prove it. Time flies. Time goes by quickly. Rob, can you believe it's almost 5 o'clock already?
Wow, really? Time flies when you're busy, huh?
Time flies? What does that mean?
Oh, it just means time goes by fast. Like today, we've been studying for the final all day, and it feels like no time at all.
Oh, I see. Yeah, today went so fast.
Right, especially after lunch. That history class took forever, but then suddenly it's almost the end of the day.
Yes, and I still need to finish this book.
Don't worry, there's still time. Maybe 30 minutes? How far are you?
I'm on page 349 already. There are 10 pages left.
You'll definitely be able to finish it.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't rely on one single plan.
Hey, have you come up with a solution?
Yes, I have an idea. If it works, everything will be fine.
Be careful with that. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Put all your eggs in one basket? What does that mean?
It means don't rely on just one thing. If that one thing fails, everything can fall apart.
Right, it's better to have a backup plan or to try other options. Oh, so does it mean Mia should have some other solutions? Exactly. It's always good to have more than one option.
Yes, that way you're not stuck if one thing doesn't work. Break a leg. Good luck. Ryan, are you ready for the upcoming marathon?
I think so, but I feel nervous.
You'll do great. Break a leg.
Break a leg? Why would you say that?
Oh, it just means good luck. We say it sometimes when someone has something important to do.
Ah, so you don't mean really break a leg?
No, of course not. It's like saying, do your best.
Okay then, thank you. Break a leg too.
I'm not doing anything special today, but thanks anyway. Just remember to warm up before the run. You'll do fine.
Thank you, Lena.
You've got this. Remember, break a leg.
I feel better now.
When pigs fly. Something that will never happen.
Hey, Rob, did you hear? They're talking about giving us Fridays off. Fridays off? Yeah, when pigs fly. When pigs fly? What are you talking about? Oh, it means it's not going to happen. You know, pigs can't fly, so it's like saying, no way. Oh, so they won't give us Fridays off? Probably not. Management always talks about things like that, but never does it. Okay, when pigs fly. Got it. Exactly. But hey, maybe they'll surprise us this time. Sure, and maybe I'll win the lottery.
Go the extra mile. To make more effort than necessary. Chris, are you almost done with the presentation? Almost, but I only did the basic slides. I hope that's okay. It's okay, but maybe you can add a little more. Go the extra mile, you know? Go the extra mile? You mean do more work? Sort of. It means putting in extra effort, like adding details or examples to make it really stand out. Oh, like making it better than normal? Exactly. The teachers will notice if you do something special. What should I do? Well, you can add a graph or a quick summary. Little things help a lot. Got it. Thanks. I'll finish it now. You're doing great, Chris. Keep it up. On thin ice, in a risky or dangerous situation. Jim, did you finish the report for your boss?
Not yet. I'll do it after lunch.
After lunch? You're already on thin ice with her.
Why? We aren't skating.
It means you're in trouble if you're not careful. Like, if the ice breaks, you fall in cold water.
Oh, so it's dangerous.
Kind of. In this case, it's about risk. If you don't finish the report soon, your boss might get really mad.
I know. I'll do it right after lunch.
Just don't wait too long. You don't want the ice to break.
Thanks for the reminder. I think I can start it now. Lunch can wait.
Spill the beans to share a secret. Ryan, did you hear about the surprise party for your Aunt Sarah?
No? What surprise party?
Oh no! I wasn't supposed to tell you. I spilled the beans.
What? Now you're talking about some beans.
It means I told a secret by mistake, like I wasn't supposed to say it.
Oh, so now I know the surprise.
Yes, but don't tell Aunt Sarah. Pretend you don't know.
Okay, I won't say anything. I'll act surprised at the party.
A good idea. And next time, I'll keep my mouth shut. Jump on the bandwagon to join others in doing something popular. I just signed up for the new fitness challenge. It's all over social media. Oh, you're jumping on the bandwagon, huh? Huh? What does that mean? It's a funny way to say that you're doing something because everyone else is doing it. Like, a lot of people are signing up, so you join too. Ah, I see. Like when everyone starts wearing the same clothes or eating the same food? Exactly. It's like a trend. People want to be a part of it. Well, but it's fun to join. I agree. It's not always bad. Sometimes trends can be fun. Just don't forget why you joined in. The tip of the iceberg. Only a small part of a bigger problem.
Liam, did you hear about the budget issue? Yes, I heard it's really bad. Oh, that's just the tip of the iceberg. The budget problems are bigger than that. Why do you suddenly mention the iceberg? It's a saying. It means that what you see or know is only part of a much bigger problem. Like an iceberg, only a little bit shows above the water, but most of it is under the surface. Ah, so there's more to the problem. Exactly what we know now is just the beginning. There's more to discover. Wow, I didn't know it was that serious. Yeah, it's gonna take some time to fix.